What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road in beautiful Attitude Black. This sucker is a super beast. It's ready for the trail. In the last video, you did see us paint up this hood. We painted up the bumper. We painted the fender. We got it so slick that the bugs are not even going to stick to this thing. A little bit ago, we stuck our hood scoop in. We got the underside of our hood all fixed up with our squirters all fixed up. What we were going to do today was work on the front bumper because we got a super big plan for that. Waiting on one more critical piece of gear to come in, and then we're going to get right on that. So we might as well, as bad as we hate to, the Heartbreaker Dent. That's where we're headed. We're going to get that dent fixed. We're going to get it studded out. Gonna put just a little bit of Bondo filler in it. So let's stop talking. Let's start sanding. Alrighty, guys, we've been working like crazy on the Heartbreaker Dent. It's looking 100% better. Tacked on a few studs, tap, tap, tap with a slide hammer, pulled it right out. Everything's looking 100% amazing. We put a good bit of filler on, and as you can see, we sanded a good bit of filler off. So just this thing has got body line going this way, a body line going that way, and a body line going that way. It's just really hard to match all of them up, but we got it almost perfect. We hit it with some U-pole body filler, AKA the Bondo. And then we come back and just fill our scratches with some U-pole dolphin glaze. Everything is coming together amazing. But we're probably gonna finish up tomorrow. We'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. Alrighty, guys, it is the next day. We just went down to the big Super O'Reilly's. We got ourselves some primer. We're gonna get this sucker finished up, taped up. We're gonna get it primed today. We're about ready to get this sucker painted. So let's stop talking and let's get to work. Y'all know we don't like to brag on this channel because that gets you in trouble, but that looks really good. Everything fits perfect. So I think what we're gonna do now, we're gonna tape everything up. We picked up the 2K primer. We're gonna put some primer on it, get it ready to paint. That'll be the next thing we do. So let's hop to it. Let's get it done. It's always so funny. Every time that I want to primer something in the yard, I get everything ready, and then the storm clouds come in, the wind blows 100 miles an hour. I'm getting it primered. It's going to happen. We're going to get this primered. We got to get it done. We got to get it ready for paint, so we got to get it primered. Even if the wind's blowing at 100,000 miles an hour, we're going to get it primered right now, today. So let's hop to it, and let's get it done. Alrighty guys, we've been working like crazy on the Heartbreaker Dent. Kind of dreaded that one, took the rear end all apart, took the bumper off, glazed a few places on the bumper, glazed a little place on the fender flare, put a little body filler and a little glaze on the quarter there, but we got it looking 100% OEM. We're ready to block it down. We're ready to get some paint on it. We got lots of things planned for this 4Runner. We can't wait. We just can't wait to show you what we got, the things that we got lined up. I don't know what else we can do today. We need to get this sucker in the booth and we just can't do it today. So I tell you what, that'll probably be a wrap for today's video, guys. We'll catch up with you next time in the booth when we get this sucker painted, or maybe we got a great big metal bumper to go on the front with a big 13,000 pound accessory coming in. maybe we'll do that. Who knows? But this is going to be a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. And if you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.